Give your guests what they truly deserve. Whether your place got booked for more than 3 weeks or has not gone through deep cleaning at all, the ComfyMaids deep cleaning service is perfect for you and your guests. As a step beyond our regular cleaning services, deep cleaning pays special attention to every nook and cranny of your place by tidying surfaces, lifting the furniture for dusting, cleaning and disinfecting high-touch points such as doorknobs and light switches, dusting light fixtures, lamps, plants, blinds, and vents, vacuuming the sofa and other upholstery, cleaning baseboards, window frames, and door frames, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping of floor surfaces, wiping down windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces, cleaning the balcony, cleaning beach gear, wiping down big and small kitchen appliances, cleaning behind and under kitchen appliances, scrubbing countertops and backsplashes, organizing cabinets and drawers, disinfecting bathroom facilities, cleaning baseboards, shower doors and vents, scrubbing shower walls, tidying drawers and vanities, and lastly, disinfecting wastebaskets and garbage disposal. Get extra clean with ComfyMaids. Book a deep cleaning service today at comfymaids.com or call us now.